Welcome back, and we are ready for part 3 of the backyard course rebuild. Got another stock of lumber there and got some mulch. I'm gonna start putting mulch around the outside because from just walking back and forth it's just getting so muddy. And today I think we're gonna start getting up on the second level. Not sure how we're gonna do it yet. We'll literally cross that bridge as we get there. But I'm gonna get going and I will give you some updates along the way, and we will run this thing when we're done. This is where I'm going to call it a stopping point. Let's give it a test run. Got the ecto out. Give these new sections a try. I think that really serious incline I did on the other side is going to be a little bit of a challenge even for the ecto. I didn't get as much done on the top deck as I want to, but there'll be plenty of time for that. I did have to do a little bit of modifications over where the fire hose section is. I couldn't see very well, so I cut the side out here and just added some bracing. All right. Once we get to the end, though, unfortunately, there is no further to go. So we'll get it just coming back the other way. Now, I love doing obstacles where you have to straddle two ropes or fire hose or whatever. It's just, I love the challenge of it. Well, let's see how this turns out coming down through here. This may or may not be a very good turn. I think the Ecto can handle it without flipping though. Close, but we made it. Now, we can do a bit of a crossover here to get back to this other side. Now we can come up the steep bridge. I haven't measured the incline on this yet, but it's substantial. I'm guessing somewhere around 60. All right, I made it. Well, let's see if we can come back down without doing end over end. All right, there it is. I think this will pretty well wrap up our test. I think the new obstacles turned out pretty good. I will get to moving on more because I'm just wanting to get this thing done as quick as possible. I got enough done now to where at least I can do some fun crawling and have some good times with it. But thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this. I sure did. And I hope to catch you on the next video. Have a great day.